Alright, so for question B, same. For the first step, when you want to use first principle, we find fx plus h. So 4 sub x plus h. Then second step is put into the formula of first principle, limit h approaches 0. So this one sub plus minus sub x plus h minus sub x, so 4 over h. So the difference between question A and question B is question A is fraction function, reciprocal function, rational function. So that's why 1 over h we take out, we don't want to per and per. So this one is just surd function, we just substitute into the formula. Alright, then for surd function, how we going to simplify this? We need to conjugate. As you can see, when you have limit h approaches 0, it is 0 over 0. Surd x minus surd x over 0, right? So it is IDF. IDF for 0, we can do conjugate. So conjugate is following your surd function. According to your surd function here, so your conjugate will be 4 surd x plus h plus 4 surd x. Right, so we simplify our conjugate, do the expansion. For denominator, we just rewrite it into the factor form. We don't need to expand. We need to simplify the conjugate part. So conjugate here, where you can see a minus b times a plus b. As we simplify, it will be a squared minus b squared. So as d squared, where your term a here square, it will give you 16x plus h. Minus your term b here square will give you 16. Square root and square will remain x. So we need to simplify until the h. The next step, we expand. And you can see your function start to simplify, where 16x can be cancelled. And then this h and denominator h also can be simplified. Now your denominator, your IDF form can be simplified. So lastly, we can substitute our limit. We can evaluate the limit. So numerator remaining is 16. Denominator, evaluate the h is 0, substitute will be surd x minus 4 plus 4 surd x. So 4 surd x plus 4 surd x is 8 surd x. Some more, 16 over 8 is equals to 2. So to see this first principle, is it doing correctly? We can checking by using formula. As our function, beginning of the function is 4 surd x. So surd x is power of 1 over 2. So we find your power. Then when we want to differentiate this, it will be power move to the front, 2 power minus 1. So negative, we put it into denominator. Yes, they are same. Means your first principle is doing correctly.